Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong, couldn't complete your purchases. Now, this could be because you have the wrong region selected in your Google Play settings. So I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So from Google Play here, you want to tap on your profile up here. And on your profile up here, you want to go to payments and subscriptions. Now on payments and subscription, you want to go to payment methods up here. And on payment methods up here, you want to scroll down and then you want to go to more payment settings down here. Now on more payment settings here, you'll be opened to your current browser. Now let's just wait for it to load. Now from your current browser here, you want to tap on this 3-bar up here. And on 3-bar, you want to go to settings here. And on settings, you want to make sure that your region is correct, right? So you can see here, right now, there's my country region down there. And if it's wrong, if you live in the UK, but your country region is in the US, make sure to change it. You can change it by pressing on this pencil icon like that. See? So you can create a new profile down there. Now, after doing this, it'll be good practice as well to clear the data in Google Play. So let's go to settings. On settings, let's go to apps, right? So apps like this. And on apps, let's wait for it to load. Give it a second. It might take a little bit. There you go. Apps. Now on apps, let's go to manage apps. Now on manage apps, let's search for Google Play Store. So Google Play Store here. Here you can see, you can click on clear data and then just tap on clear all data. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.